Bangwa my warnings they are rising. People they are being warned, especially those who are directly attributed by Zima constitutional amendments and the Vision 2030. Pachinzi, the same warnings are akakupwa bangwa wanaweta sana VP Costa Chwenga, though the same warnings people they are being given. Could mind you, the people you are supporting, they are ruthless. Sarapena mashu wabra nyugo pangwa ne president anti 2030 shukura zugananda not bo subscribe or like on the bell icon anobuda achiposta anyo HT. This was the day ED saw in parents Shiri as Minister of Agriculture. ED wore a plastic smile while Shiri likely never realized he was being targeted with the deadly international band Novichok. I warn Mhonda and Tapfumaneyi, trust ED at your own risk. Leo mashukano mudanyo papangwa na chukura zukanala sizwa murukuona anatrambiri achiposta another post sheet after 37 years in power and 8 years as president. The only legacy left is economic ruin. Now seeking to be king forever is an insult to Zimbabwe. We must act and pray to stop this descent, or Zimbabwe faces a future as bleak as Somalia Sea. This must end. No to Mutapa Kingdom. No, my developments are good upon people they are resisting the agenda and they are sending my warnings. When the people waketa sewa tanto wali mentioned wana Mhonda and Tapfumaneyi chinzi, you must trust these people, you must trust this gang. My young Ganandas, my philanthropists, people who have got money, pangone vinzi, those guys, they are not worried about anything, and anytime they can do whatsoever they want. So long junkweta kuti varambe vairi mbawa varambe vachiwana mari dzavo. Pina comment section medu mbudza mafungiro enyu muri kuti pamusoro these warnings. Pina comment section medu muzosubscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.